Introducing Runway Bridal, a new ultra-premium bridal exhibition by Ramola Bachchan that took place at the Ashok Hotel in New Delhi. Runway Bridal builds on the success of Runway Rising, Miss Bachchan's exhibition for next-gen designers, now in its 8th edition.
This is a very exciting venture, and it would not have been possible without the generous support of our title sponsors, that is the Bryce Group. Well, Bryce has been our sponsor since some time now. We have another property called Runway Rising, where we promote young designers, emerging designers, and they have supported us in that venture, and now they are very much there with us for Runway Bridal.
Designers and jewelers will share space with decor artists and wedding planners with the common purpose of making a wedding unforgettable. Every couple hopes that their wedding day will be truly beautiful and memorable. They hope for picture-perfect moments, and this is where it all starts to come together. Runway Bridal offers to replace anxiety and worry with a glorious rainbow of choices for the bride and the groom and their families. The 2-day bridal extravaganza truly celebrates the sacred occasion and promises to make it nothing short of spectacular. The Bryce Group is proud to be associated with Ramola Bachchan's bridal exhibition, Runway Bridal. Ramola Bachchan is an entrepreneur who is well known for doing things with flair and panache. Even when it comes to coordinating the umpteen details that go into planning a fashion gala of this magnitude. Behind the scenes, the excitement is palpable as all the beautiful people get ready to show the audiences a glimpse of what their wedding day could look like. Luxurious design is the essence of the Runway Bridal and also of the limited edition luxury residences at Bryce Buzz at Noida.
Ramola Bachchan is our lifestyle ambassador, and we are making this high-end luxury apartments. So we have put together a luxury lifestyle and want to introduce in India a high-end lifestyle.
The premium residential site is the perfect setting for the pre-event champagne brunch that puts the spotlight on haute couture for the bride and groom-to-be.
And we are here on the premises, and we're going to show our guests the show flat, which has been furbished by Tonino Lamborghini. So they're very high-end apartments, very stunning apartments, if I may say so.
Marriage is one of a lifetime experience, so every bride wants to make it special. So platforms like this get everything together. There are designers there, there are decorators there, there are destination wedding people there, so you get everything under one roof.
Ladies and gentlemen, weddings are beautiful, and we at Runway Bridal are in a beautiful business. I'm your host this afternoon, Geetika Kanthadhar, and I'm very happy to say that the Bryce Group, in partnership with Ramola Bachchan, bring you Runway Bridal Preview, a pre-exhibition event of a Runway Bridal that showcases the works of participating designers in this upcoming exhibition.
From elegant and chic attires matched with stunning jewelry for a pre-wedding event to splendorous and royal bridal wear for that special day, the fashion show offers a wonderful peek at everything that Runway Bridal will offer a couple. The event not only captures the hearts and imaginations of young couples who are planning their dream wedding, but also offers new and upcoming designers a very special platform to unveil their designs.
It's actually more of fusion and not just like traditional bridal, but it's more of like Western silhouettes with Indian embroideries and everything. So yeah, it's like a mix.
We get inspired from every designer, every single designer. Everybody has their signature style, so we do get the inspiration from every designer.
I love the name Runway Bridal 2014. I like the fact that a bride ends up feeling like a runway model. It's the most important day of her life, and that's one of the reasons Zoya is taking part in this exposition. And more than fashion weeks, you need tangible, touchy-feely expositions where you can actually see things, try them on, rather than being spectators.
The fashion show is quite unlike anything that has been done before. The models take to the floor and the crowd gets an up-close and impressive look at the designer ensembles. Everything from the tailoring to the fine embroidery is observed with a sharp eye, and the bridal entourage in the audience have a clear idea of what the bridal wardrobe will look like. This year, designers have chosen to use an interesting and expansive palette. Delicate pastel shades share space with bold hues of red, orange and burgundy.
I'm thrilled to be associated with Runway Bridal. I think it's a great platform for showcasing your bridal collection. I think it's because it's being done by Ramola Bachchan. I know it's going to be very elegant, and I know it's going to be very chic and very stylish. Because everything she does is always very stylish. And also the fact that she's managed to get pretty much the best trousseau and bridal wear designers in the country together. It's an incredible achievement, and she is a wonderful person to work with. Her events are wonderful, beautifully planned, and so I am actually extremely thrilled to be a part of this.
Don't go anywhere because the show is just getting started, and we catch up with some of the jewels of the Indian fashion industry.
We have this opportunity to get ourselves introduced with new people, new clients.
Runway Bridal is associated with Ramola Bachchan ji. So she is a perfect lady to get fashion properly in India.
This is, I think, the third exhibition we're doing with them. It's been a pleasure always. I think Ramola has done a beautiful job.
We'll be right back at the end of this short break. Welcome back to Runway Bridal. The Bride's Bus is the spectacular occasion for the pre-exhibition celebrations.
Weddings is such a big business in India today, and it's a very fast-growing business also. So I think that really told me that this is the area that I should be looking at.
The tallest residential tower in North India captures the very essence of the high life and is set to house sky villas for the bold and the beautiful. The rooftop helipad is perfect for the jet-set traveller and only one of the many features that will make this address enviable. Every aspect of the tower has been aesthetically designed to cater to needs of its elite residents.
The only reason for the core existence of Brides is luxury. We are out and outright luxury enterprise. And I think the other thing which is synonym in our country, in our culture with luxury is weddings. May it be of a smaller scale or a bigger scale. You know, it's an event of a lifetime.
ethnic trousseau packaging shares center stage with gorgeous saris, lehengas and salwar kameez. There is no wedding detail that goes unattended at the Runway Bridal. The fashion show unfolds a marvelous trousseau. Delicate pastel shades share space with bold hues of red and pink. The crowd gets an up-close and impressive look at the designer ensembles. The groom's collection resonates of style and unabashed masculinity. From graceful and classy designs to heavily embellished bridal finery. The choices before the bride and groom are plentiful and sure to wow them. The run-up to the Runway Bridal has been exciting, and now it's finally time to declare the bridal festival open. From wedding invites that invoke divine blessings to jewels that match the trousseau perfectly, the Runway Bridal offers customized solutions under one very festive roof.
So Runway Bridal, it's a good platform, it's an innovative platform and a one-stop solution for the brides, because when they come in here, they can look in for jewelry from different designers to fashion, to invites of course, to silver. So there's a lot, you know, all your factors, all your things that are required in any grand Indian wedding is kind of covered under this platform. So it's good for them, you know.
Runway Bridal showcases designs by leading names in Indian bridal couture and also offers new designers a unique space to display their skill and talent.
A place like this, we have this opportunity to get ourselves introduced with new people, new clients. So it's a good platform for young designers like us.
It's very easy for the people who are getting married, you know, it takes off the stress of them, and it's more like a mall experience. You have air conditions on and you have excellent ambience and you can choose what you like. So I think it's a great platform, and we've all top-notch designers, so people can come, check out, buy, maybe place orders. It's an easy thing.
The collection's a mix, you know, we have the season's colors, we have the beautiful cuts. I think menswear has also come of age now, how much men can explore in terms of colors, designs, everything.
I think brides here now getting far more modern, more cosmopolitan, rather than sticking to the very traditional platform that they used to enjoy all these years. And probably that's the reason why we as designers are also bringing forth the fusion fashion.
Totally into antique gold. It's like the rich heritage India, incorporating it with a lot of trendy things this year. Drape saris, we're going into drapes with Indian embroideries and drape skirts, something like that I'm wearing. It's a jacket with a drape skirt, something very different, but yet it's very traditional with the work that I've highlighted on it. And we're doing high-waisted skirts and I said crop tops and peplum jackets, which frame the body very well.
We had come up with a lot of beautiful embroidery, craftsmanship with a variety of fabrics. For example, we had used tissues, we had used organzas, and we had beautifully embellished that. And we had come with a completely different type of clothing line also. For example, a peplum with a lehenga, coat styles. So these are the new style for this season.
They have displayed everything under one umbrella, and it's good to find a contrast with maybe what the men is wearing or the bride wants to wear. So yes, definitely color combination, and you can always get your friends along or the function that you want to attend, and it's under one place, so you get more ideas and you can experiment more with the fabric and you can see the color combination, and you know, it's fun. It's actually good.
Runway Bridal is associated with Ramula Bachchanji. So she is a perfect lady to get fashion properly in India, and she knows exactly whom to cater to. So she's got the best of designers all over India, and yeah, I think it's a perfect place to be in.
You're watching the Runway Bridal. Join us at the end of this short break for more bridal fashion and wedding accessories. The list of the participating designers and jewelers is sure to have hearts racing. Leading couturiers such as JJ Valaya and Raghavendra Rathore will showcase their bridal collections for the season. Also sharing space under the festive canopy are some of the top designers of jewels and accessories, including Farah Khan, Mahit Kapoor and Nirav Modi.
It's just a big choice. You're spoiled for choice over here, and it's always good to come and see, and then you can sort of mix and match your bridal outfits with your jewelry, and you get your ideas and your thoughts and everything. So I think this is a fantastic place to come.
This is the first edition of Runway Bridal, and you can see the lineup. It's great, and it's a fab platform to showcase your bridal collection, especially when the festive season is around the corner and the wedding season is coming up. And I'm very happy. Yeah, of course, she's a wonderful person, and show is the show. It's rocking.
Well, we have a very muted palette. We are for the discerning client who's evolved, and we make sure that our pieces complement the client, and we always try and play with colors which complement each other, don't fight, don't distract, or create a perfect foil for a person to complement the person, the individual persona.
From fashioners who transform traditional designs with a contemporary touch to those who offer fresh insight into bridal couture, the Runway Bridal offers it all.
One of the USPs of Zoya is that there is a new collection every season. And the designs this season, we've showcased Fire, which is inspired by fire. So it's beautiful, pretty much like a piece of art.
Well, today I'm showcasing a plethora of juxtaposed jewels. So you have a lot of color, you have a lot of necklaces, earrings, rings, one-off, because I believe that you should wear the jewelry should not wear you. So a lot of my pieces are